Welcome to Money Made Simple YouTube channel. Here we are talking about how to make money investing in treasury bills in Ghana. So what are treasury bills? So basically, T-bills or treasury bills are short-term government securities issued by the Bank of Ghana. So in effect, it's like you are lending money to the government. In return, the government pays you back with interest. How the point is made clear. At the end of the investment period. So here are the periods that we are talking about, the duration of the investment. We have the 91 days bill, which is the 3 months, the 182 days bill, which is 6 months, and then 364 days, which is 1 year. So you have to choose the one that suits your financial circumstances. Some people can choose long term, others who can choose just 3 months or 6 months. So let's assume you have about 50,000 Ghana cedis to invest. So let's see how much profit you can make reference to 3 investment durations at the current interest rate. So here are the current interest rates according to Bank of Ghana as of January 2025. So the 91 days is 28.19, and then the rest follows. So let's see how much profit you can make. So first scenario, we are taking the 91 days. I have an amount of 50,000 Ghana cedis for 91 days at an interest rate of 28.19%. Let's see how to calculate for the profit. So you multiply 50,000 by 28.19%, which will give us 14,095 Ghana cedis. Divide this amount by 4, which will give us 3,523.75 Ghana cedis. So in effect, you are going to receive a profit of 3,523 if you invested 50,000 for 3 months at that particular rate. The result was divided by 4 because 3 months is just 1/4 of a year. Scenario number 2. So let's say the same amount of money for 6 months at the rate of 28.91%. So we multiply the 50,000 by 28.91%, which will give us 14,450. Now we divide it by 2, which will give us 7,225 Ghana cedis. So the profit that you're going to make is 7,225 Ghana cedis. We divided by 2 because 6 months is half of a year. So what do you think? Looking at the profit end, let's take the last scenario, which is scenario number 3 for a year. The same amount of money, by this time the interest rate 30.05 or 07. The duration is 12 months. So you are investing 50,000 for 12 months. So you multiply the 50,000 by the interest rate 30.07%, which will give us 15,000. Remember, the profit is the same thing. We are not going to divide by anything again. If you invest 50,000 treasury bills at a rate of 30.07% for 1 year, you get a profit of 15,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, in just 1 year. Not here, the risk is almost zero. So someone will say, but I can earn more than 15,000 Ghana cedis with 50,000 in other investment. Yes, that's possible, but you are not guaranteed. Here, the risk is almost zero. But the investment that you're talking about there's no guarantee. So with treasury bills, you are guaranteed for the returns. That's a fact. How and where to buy treasury bills in Ghana? So let's see where you can buy treasury bills. So you visit a licensed bank or financial institution, possibly your own bank that you work with. Open a T-bills investment account. Okay. Provide your details such as Ghana card. They might require other necessary information. And then decide your investment amount and duration. So if you want 50,000 for 1 year, whatever, decide on it. The money can be deducted straight from your bank account if you bank there. Okay. Yeah. So receive your investment certificate. This is a proof that you've already done investment for T-bills at a particular bank. So tips to maximize your investment. So if you want to maximize your investment, do the following. The first thing is that you reinvest your returns. So you can put all of the amount together with the interest back. You compare the rate from bank to bank. Yes, some of the rate differs a bit. So you compare the one that gives you the best. So why Treasury Bills in Ghana remains the best among the rest? The first thing, that they are low risk, no doubt about that. They are very low risk. Okay, yes. Second, they have stable and guaranteed returns. So if it is 15%, 15%, 30%, 30%, and very affordable. You can start at even 1,000 Ghana cedis or even less. Okay, they have a flexible terms, like 91 days, 182 days, and 364 days. The best part is that it is tax-free. Yes, the interest that you earn, you don't pay any tax on it. Treasury Bills investment is good for those who have soft heart for high-risk investment schemes. So if you fear of losing money, please, the best options for you is to go for T-bills. It's the best so far, where you can sleep and still feel okay that you have money invested in T-bills. Most of the mutual funds that you know in Ghana here, they invest in T-bills as part of their investment options. Yes. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any question or concern or feedback, leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe, follow.